All right, welcome to the channel. It's October, it's fall time, it's the time of the year that I usually take out my window AC units. But this year I decided to put in central air. So I want to take care of my central air unit that I have outside. So let me show you what I purchased to help prolong the use of my central air compressor unit outside. I picked up a cover, okay? Air conditioner cover. It goes over my outside unit. So here's my new unit that I got this year. Okay, I think I got the measurements right. I purchased a 32 by 32 by 28. So 32, yeah, we'll see. Looks like a square. 28, what do you think? I don't know. Anyway, this cover is just to, to go over that. It helps protect, from, the rain, the winter, when you're not using it, to help protect it. This is, polyester fabric. It has mesh vents in it to avoid moisture and mold. It's easy to just plop on and stuff. And I think, like over here, it has like a little section where all the stuff comes out. I think it has Velcro and stuff. We'll open it up and put it on. So this should be just a simple, easy video. Okay, got the camera set up. Let's just see. All right. It is a nice heavy duty material. I don't know if you can see, but here's the vents. Let me get this on the right side here. Here's the Velcro. I don't know if you can see it. So here's the Velcro. And it has a little snap thing, so let's just see how this goes on. Okay. Okay. Here's the vents. Here's the Velcro. So I could just go right around, I guess, like this and like this. And then I could just, there's a little strap here, I guess. I don't know. We'll just see what it does. Snap it together. I don't know if this is going to do anything, but yeah. I can cinch this up here, I guess. A little bit here. Guess. I don't know. Just so it don't fly away. Okay. Here. Here. All right. There we go. Easy peasy. Just put it on there. It has a couple little cinch things here. I just cinched it up, put it underneath. Yeah. This is, relatively inexpensive. And this will help prolong my air conditioning unit, I think. So, inexpensive way to prolong your AC unit, I think. Link will be in the description below if you're interested. And you know what to do. Hit all those buttons. And if you're not, if you're not a subscriber, so. And we'll see you in the next video. Peace.